Hello class. As promised, I'm gonna record down the project instruction uh, for you, and you can look through here, and I will show you how to uh, find two-card comparison through Calibre book, um, and how to plot this card price using regression analysis. And first, you need to go to Blackboard. Under the Blackboard, you will see course content. And if you scroll down, there's a module called Statistic Project. And if you click on there, it has all the information is there. The project overview. There's an example that we're gonna talk about here. And also, I create this feature that allow you to submit your project through Blackboard. And also I attach the instruction there as well. So there's a multiple places allow you to find the information about this project. So if you click on here, it will load them up a Word document. Under the Word document, it has an instruction. So what this project is doing is asking you to do is that you need to pick two cards, and the two cards initial price or MSRP price or manufacturer suggest retail price cannot be different over 2,500 to start. And you can select some feature that the features that you like, specification that are important to you added to that card, or you don't have to choose it. Now, so I'm going to show you how to compare this two card research. So if you go to this, copy this browser, copy this link web into the browser, and then it will bring you to this Calibre book homepage. Under the research tool, there's a compare cards. Here's you're gonna put in the card that you wanted. So do not pick the card that I pick. So make sure you select the two cards that you think has a very similar similar price and trim level specifications that you think that are very similar to compare. So I'm gonna pick the one that I usually pick, which is Toyota. And Toyota. And I'm gonna pick the basic one, Corona, and then select 2020 because 2021 probably the data has not been coming out yet. So let's use the 2020 and then hit it over here. And then here you will get your starting price right here, MS manufacturer retail price. There's some other specifications that you can add in. There's somewhere that you can add those in, but you don't have to. So and then the second card, you can add a similar vehicle. They kind of have it suggested for you as well, or you can just choose the one. I'm gonna choose the one that I did, Toyota, and maybe Corona 2020. I pick L update. Wait. And then the second card, oops. So I picked this one twice. So I'm gonna pick the second card, and then I'm gonna pick Honda. And a Honda, I'm gonna pick a Civic, and then 2020 and LX. Update it, and then the second card will pop up. So you can see that the initial price, this green meaning that it is lower than this one, has a better view, more mileage. That's why whatever that has a more advantage, better feature or pricing, they will show green. Compare between, like this one here is the same. And so what you need to do is that this is the beginning year that you're gonna do. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna record on this data into Excel spreadsheet. First, you're gonna give a title, year of make of your car will be compare between Toyota and Honda. Okay. And then you're gonna say 2020, start with 2020, and then 2019. You can pick about 8 year, I believe, that I want you to do. So this should be 8 year. So the first year, the price is about 20,555, and then 20,955 for a Honda Civic. If you want to give it more detail, you can say Corona, and then Honda Civic. All right, so this is 2020. Then you're gonna move on to get 2019. Same model and same make. So Toyota and Honda, Toyota, and then Corona. Next year it'll be 2019. I think we select L, and then you select the next car for Honda, and then model will be Civic 2019 LX. Get that? And this become your second year of the data. And then you're gonna just have to fill out here. So be 19,655, and then 20,505. All right, so this is 2019 of the price, and then you can keep going. Move on to the next year, which is changing the, erase this and erase that. So then you're gonna add the 2018 of the Toyota, and then Corona and 2018. L sedan level. So let's do the Honda next one. Honda Civic, year of 2018. LX 4-door, sedan 4-door. So now you can see that the price has been dropped significantly. As year move on, the value of the car dropping very significantly. So this one dropped a lot. 15, oops. 586, 17,000. 789. So this is that. Okay, so you get the idea that you need to figure out all the years of the price right now. If you're gonna purchase 2014 car, what is the price of 2000 used car, right? This is probably the brand new one, somehow new, and then this one probably drive for a few months. But we're not gonna care about the mileage, but we're gonna just get a general price if you're gonna purchase the used car here. So this will form a data that it is. If you continue to do that, select the same model, and then same trim level, you will get something like this. You will get something like this. So this is all the 8-year that I collect last year. Actually, last year when I do this one, I started with 2019, and then you will get the data in here for those two cards, and then you will start plotting into a regression line. So I want to redo this one here over here to a brand new tab. So what you need to do is that you're gonna have to before you do this. Let me reset the data. So this is the 8-year data you are collecting. So if you're gonna plot this one, you're gonna do it. You have two ways that you can do. You can plot this car one by one, or you can plot them together, meaning that you're gonna plot this two scatter plot. You're gonna put this two cards as scatter plot into one chart. So to do that, you need to select that. So you can see that the year has been increased 2020, 12, 13, 14, and so on. But remember, we trying to get the car depreciation. So if it's car depreciation, which means that the plot has to be in decreasing form. So to do that, you can tell Excel that I want this to be a text. So if this is to become a text, and it will reverse the plot. Once you do that, then you can find out regression. So before I do regression, again, this is first way you can put them together, and it will tell you Honda is the blue dot, Toyota is the orange dot. Or you can do a separate graph, separate chart. So you do the same thing, you plot that, and then you get this, and then again you're gonna put 1 in front of it to tell Excel that I want this become a text. So it will reverse over, and then you do the same thing. You're gonna draw it for scatter plot for Toyota, and then tell a Toyota to reverse over as well. Okay, so this two, if you're gonna choose this way, then you need this two graph on your report. If you do this one, then you just need one chart into your report. And to find out regression line, you can go to this here trend line, and you can add a trend line here. Do that one more time. Trend line, more option, and then you will select the display the equation on the chart and R correlation, R square. But make sure when you do that, you need to take a square root of this R in order to get R. And you can see that the correlation is very strong as year goes on, and the car value is decreasing, right? So car value is decreasing. So that, and you can find out the regression for the blue one. So you do the same procedure, more apps, more. Sometimes it does not show up first time, so